Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, leather seats, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.